fuck up my walking stick too much.
Oh, sorry. God, you're still alive, huh? Get the fuck out of here. Oh.
Try to come out.
Yeah, this thing is way too blunt. Shit, what the?
Can you bash him with this? No, this is too big.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get him. I'm gonna flush him, so he's coming your way, Andy. Out, out. Ah!